What's good, y'all? It's your boy Monster. I'm coming back at y'all for another video. And look, man, today we're gonna go ahead and we about to go ahead and hang up a few stuff from my room. So first we got this glass mirror, and then we're gonna go ahead and grab these nails. I know it's a little blurry. I'm trying to focus it, but here y'all go. And that's what we're using. Okay, so this is what the nail looks like. We're gonna try to hang it up on the wall. And then I didn't find a hammer, so we're gonna use a mallet. I know it's kind of crazy, but you know, it's still gonna work. We're gonna kind of analyze what we got going on here and see what's happening. Okay, now I'm gonna try to see if it's gonna hang up and see if it's the correct spot. Okay, so now I do want this a little wee bit taller because I was bending over, pause, just to go ahead and see myself, and we need to put it up a little bit higher. All right, cool. Now it's perfect. I don't know why I look mad as hell, but yeah. Okay, so now for this one, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna focus on the middle. I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna grab the clock that I got, which I'm about to show momentarily, and then we're gonna try to hang it up in the middle. But first, we're gonna go ahead, grab the pen, and then we're gonna try to mark the spot on where we want to hang the clock on the wall. So I'm going ahead. I'm trying to use like mental math and plan it out where to hang it up at, because I'm not using no ruler, and I'm just going to trust myself. As y'all can see, that's the clock, and then we're going to try to perfect it. Boom, so we got it hung up. That's gonna be the end of the video, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed, you feel me? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? This is your boy Monster. This is the nation, this the tribe. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, show some love. If y'all want some more videos like this, let me know. This is my first DIY video, and I'm out. Peace.